Gold Hunter here. I just want to welcome anyone new to the channel and anyone who has been here before. If you're not subscribed, hopefully today I can earn that subscription. Alright, so today is going to be a little different. You see a bunch of stuff here in front of me. Well, you know, in coin collecting and jewelry and gold and stuff, sometimes it's hard to read or see things that you need to see, like an error or a mint mark or a purity stamp, right? Like on jewelry here. Like, I don't know about you, but I can't see if that says 10K. I know it does, I've seen it, but so usually we use something like this or this, right? Little mishap there. So usually we use something like this. It's called a jeweler's loop, right? And it, I don't know if we see through the camera, but it'll magnify, you know, okay? See that? So that's what we use to see these things. Like little errors on coins or mint marks, or, you know, like I say, jeweler stamp, you know. Here's another style. It's got a light on it. It's got two different viewing ports. I believe this one goes to 30 and this one over here is 60 times magnification. Well, I'm going to step it up because, you know me, I love coins and I like to check for errors and stuff. And it'll also help when I buy jewelry to determine if I bought something that is genuine, or at least if it has, you know, if it's gold or not. So let's move this stuff aside and I'll show you what we got. So I picked up this on Amazon. It's a digital microscope. I haven't had it out of the box yet. I thought I'd do it here for you, and let's just see if it works. All right, this will step up the game on coin collecting big time, right? Looking for errors, because if we find an error, we potentially could up the value of our coin by, like, quite significantly, right? All right, let's pop her out. So if you're looking for one, this was on Amazon. They have a whole bunch of different types, more expensive ones. This one was very reasonable. I don't know, I think it might have been around the $30 mark, $20 mark. So let's get her out. All right, instructions. Oh, hope I don't need those. So in the box, there's some packaging, obviously. There's the main unit. We've got a stand. All right. Pretty simple so far. This here is a calibration ruler. Okay. Well, we'll worry about that in a little bit. Looks like this is for the unit itself. Let's open her up. Remember, I dropped the instructions on the floor, so I haven't even read those yet. I'm actually going to try and do this without reading them. Pretty much I just want to today kind of tell how it works, if it works, right? How it works, if it works, and how well it can see, you know what I mean? So, looks like I need somewhere to plug this in. I wonder if I can, probably should read the instructions on this. Really should. I'm actually not going to, but I should. Huh. There we go. Wonder if this does anything. Oh, it looks like it gets power from my phone. Because that light just came on, right? That turns it off. Brightens the light. This side, I don't know what it does. Oh, I think it takes a picture. Okay. You can snap and take a picture. I don't know if I need to download an app for this or... Let's turn that on. This will zoom in. Now, myself personally, I guess I'm going to have to get that instruction book back because I don't know how it works on my phone. So, I'm going to do a quick read on the instructions and I'll bring it back in. It says lifetime warranty guaranteed, free replacement and friendly service. They have an after sales email. So if you get one of these, definitely keep the instructions in case you need it for that. So we got her working. It didn't take long actually. I just had to download an app. It's all I used the instructions for was what app to get, and so I just plugged it into my phone, download that app, and we're ready to go. So when I first turned it on, I couldn't see nothing, but I realized the magnification up was up way too high. So I turned it all the way down, then back up some. As you can see here, right, if I move the coin around, on my phone, we can see a lot better all the little errors. See if we can turn it up some more. It's just kind of getting more blurry. It's not bad there. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what I can do with see if we can see this hockey. It's a men's hockey 2002 quarter in Canada, and there's sometimes error on the, see that, on the shin pad there, right here. So that 2. So if that was, yeah, see that's indented. So that means it's not the error we're looking for. If it was a raised 2, okay, if it was raised, it would be worth more money. And yeah, so you can see how that's indented there. I don't know if you can see it as well as I can, but see. And that's pretty hard to see with the naked eye. Yeah. All right, let's see this gold I have here. See what we can do with that. Let's put it under. I need to see the mint mark, right? So right now I'm holding my phone so you can see, but I'm going to put it down for a second. I'm going to find the mint mark, and then I'll bring my phone back for you to view. Okay. Now, oh yeah, right there, easy to see that. Okay, so I'll bring it in so you can see it. See it right there? It says 10K. I'll see if I can snap a picture of this. I don't know how to do that yet on this, but let's see. There you go. I think that easy as that. So that's what's nice about this too. I could just touch my phone now as I'm using it as a monitor and take a picture of anything that's on the screen. So I could probably throw a picture of this up in the video. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Let's try this coin out here. See, this is in a bag. I could take it out, but don't think that's required. Let's see if we can turn it up a little. There you go. Look at the beads on top of that crown. All right. See the nice reeded edge, good. I don't know, I like it. For the price, you can't go wrong here, okay? Is there a better model? Yeah, I'm sure there's lots of better models. This isn't, you know, it's one of the cheapest models on Amazon though. And for someone starting and someone who wants something a little bit better than a jeweler's loop. And the nice thing about this is, if you're going to sell these coins, you find heirs, you could take a picture right from the microscope, right? So I just did one and I realized, let's see, we can get this back. Let's do this. It's a bit of a glare. I don't know if we can turn this light down a bit. I don't know if we want to turn it off. No. All right. Okay, so nice thing is, if I want to sell this coin and say there was an error down here by the 6, right? I could just try not to get the glare in the camera here. I could just press this right here and it takes a picture. I think. Yeah, so see, it just said photo saved. So it'd be a lot easier when I'm selling it online than to just put that picture in the listing, right? So that's pretty cool. Or if you just want to take a picture for your own album or whatever, right? So again, for the price, the product works great. Very easy to use. Like I said, I didn't even barely use the instructions. I just used it to find what app to download to connect to my phone. Other than that, I just hooked it all up, right? I just put it together. So let's call this the video. I would recommend this product again if you, again, I'm not getting paid by these people or nothing. I just grabbed one because I wanted one, and I just grabbed the cheapest one off there. We'll do some more in the future. I'll grab another one a little bit more expensive next time. We'll do this again and see if it's even, I'm sure it'll be better. But there's nothing wrong with this one if this is what you want to buy. It'll work, it'll do what you need, and I think it's a pretty handy little device. You can even video with it. So that's it. All right. I want to thank you for watching. If you learned anything, if you thought this video was good, if there's needs something you think I should do better, put her down in the comments for me, and please like and subscribe if you could. The likes really help. All right, thanks again. Gold Hunter out. See you on the next one.